like a net.
It is kind of like a net. You're right. Okay, can you help me pour?
Gingerbread.
That sounds delicious.
Gingerbread house and men.
Okay, hold on to
Oh.
that. Hold on to that. Okay, that's one. Ready? Okay, not enough yet. Oh, there we go.
3.
Good job.
To our hair, we make it at nighttime.
That's right.
Yes, you're right. Okay, now you can stir. Hold on, that's it.
We spin too.
Yeah, it does. There you go.
Maya, where did you learn how to do this so well?
From Cassie.
Cassidy taught you how to do this? Did Grandma show you any?
Try that one more time.
Does it smell good?
Smell good? It smells spicy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we'll put this aside for now. This.
What does it smell like, Maya?
Does that smell like anything?
Yeah.
It does? Okay. Can you help pour this? Okay. Good. All right, now, hold on a second. We have to be very careful when we pour that. Can you help pick it up? Oh, good job. That was very good.
I'm still Maid Marian.
Okay, Maid Marian does a good job. Now we need to fill this up. That smells good, doesn't it?
What is that?
Say molasses. No, say it out loud so we can hear you.
Molasses.
Oh, okay. Is it tasty?
Yeah. Okay, oh, careful. Ready? Good job. Okay, let's get a spoon. Let's get it all out of there. We put the oil in first so it would slide out, and look, it did a pretty good job. The oil made it slippery. Okay, can you mix all that together?
But it's sticky.
I know. Hold on to the bowl with your left hand.
And it's hard.
Yeah. Look, you're working it.
A very good job.
Thank you.
It looks
Can
like
I help roll?
Yes, you can.
Yay,
Oh, yay. Thanks, Daddy.
that looks like mud. Is that mud you're making there?
Nah.
No. Okay, now what do? We pour this into that? Yeah. All right, let's put your spoon over here. Okay, ready? You want to help pour this? Oh, good. Now let's use your spoon. Look, it's coming out nicely. Excellent. Okay. Now, can you mix that together?
One,
You want to hold on to the bowl on that side?
one, two.
Yeah, count them.
I need a little help.
You do? Okay, but you're doing a good job.
Oh, look. Made a little mess.
I know, you don't like a mess. You're a clean girl. Oh, it smells good, huh? Good.
Yuck. It is like mud.
Looks like mud. Smart girl. What'd you say it?
Pattern.
Yes, it's a pattern.
Pattern.
Yes. That's the front of the house. That's the back of the house. That's the roof. We need. So, are you gonna roll?
Uh-oh, it's cracking.
What kind of a house?
A gingerbread house.
Here we go.
Yeah. Gingerbread house.
What you eating?
What is that?
What is it?
Cookie.
What kind of cookie?
A gingerbread cookie.
And who made it? You did? And you helped Grandma Carol make that?
How does it taste?
It tastes good.
You like it?
It looks pretty yummy. What kind of lights are those anyway, Maya?
I think they are.
Are they Christmas lights?
Put some more on.
Did you just eat a Christmas light?
Dude.
Where's the roof?
No, hold on a second.
What is this?
This is the stand for the house. Now.
And there's the gingerbread boys.
Yeah, we're going to do them last.
We have to use them.
We have to what?
We have to use them.
Oh, he fell over. Here, let's see if we can stand him up that way so he leans a little. Like that. Excellent. Excellent. Ta-da! Oh, you have to let it dry in there.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Gently. Gently. Good job. Good job. My gosh. I think you did a really good job, Maya. What a pretty house.
I want a gingerbread boy.
Okay, we'll do those next.
You tell me what you're doing?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm decorating her.
Who is
What
she?
colors are you using?
All of them.
Is there blue?
Yeah.
Is there a red?
Mhm.
Is there a
Pink.
pink? Is there a green?
Mhm.
Okay.
And even white.
Okay. Gingerbread. You're doing a great job on that gingerbread lady.
She's very beautiful.
Yes.
Guess I should have made us some yellow. But...
Yuck.
Oh, look at that. I like her mouth.
She's gorgeous. You're doing a fine job.